These Stickman videos are blowing up on YouTube. Many channels are gaining massive views and followers using just this simple format. And believe it or not, some of these are literally just static images stitched together. It's arguably the easiest and most flexible content form out there. You can use it for finance, comedy, education, and more. Right now, with the 2026 World Cup happening, tons of channels are making Stickman explainers and football animations that are absolutely crushing it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make one of these Stickman animations. Keep watching. Step 1. Generate the prompts. First up, we need to build our blueprint. Head over to ChatGPT to generate the custom prompts for your animation. I've provided the master prompt in the description below. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT. It will first give you a list of different ideas. Pick the one you love the most. Then, paste the second prompt to generate the storyboard. I'm going with idea number 1, so let's drop that right here. It will instantly generate the storyboard prompts. This is a huge time saver for keeping characters and visuals consistent. Step 2. Open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 3. Generate the storyboard. Inside Edimakor, go to AI Image. Image Generate, Text to Image. Choose your preferred model. I'm using GPT Image 2. Now, paste the image prompt. Configure your resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity, then simply hit Generate. You'll instantly get a high-quality storyboard. If you aren't satisfied with the result, just tweak the prompt or switch to a different model to see which one works best. You can also click Image Editing to inpaint any missing details. Once you're happy with the results, we're ready for the final step. Step 4. Generate the video. Right-click the image and choose Image to Video. Here, select a model. I'm using Cadence 2.0 for this task. Next, paste the video prompt I linked in the description below. Set your duration and resolution. Finally, hit Generate. After a short wait, you'll have an animated video based on your storyboard. Simply adjust and edit the final cut, and you're done. Super easy, right? Now you can create tons of Stickman videos featuring any story and scenario you want. Step 5. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to publish to social media. Add Edimakor AI when posting to earn 60 free credits. Go create your own Stickman animation now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.